This is what I'm working on today. It's the second panel of a hexagon cardigan that I'm working up. Yay. I feel like most of you by now will know what a hexagon cardigan is. But it's worked up like a granny square, but instead of doing a 4 in the beginning round, you do 6. And that's what gives it the 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. And then you work it up. I followed a tutorial by Passion Knits Kelsey. I think that's her name. But she has a really good tutorial. I'll link it in the video. Basically, she was like, use a sweater that you like, the size of that's comfortable for you, and then build it up. What I want to do with this is make a sweater. Put a front panel like right here with the ribbing on the neck and the ribbing here and at the bottom. But I'll see what it turns into. This yarn is so soft. Yarn bees. That was all. Have a good day. Bye.